Hey travelers, welcome back. I'm Anuja, and in case you are new to my channel and love traveling, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, imagine traveling to 75 plus countries, eating, shopping, and celebrating cultures across the globe, all in a single day. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's exactly what Global Village Dubai is all about. And today, I'm going to take you on a journey across this vibrant, colorful, and absolutely unmissable destination. If you are planning a trip to Dubai between October and April, Global Village deserves a top spot in your itinerary. Trust me, you will enjoy the concept, the vibes, and the cultural glimpse from across the world. So first things first, Global Village is located in Dubai land, just 20 to 25 minutes drive from Dubai downtown or Burj Khalifa. To reach there, you can either take a taxi, bus, or even book cabs directly online. Tickets are quite affordable considering the other attractions are comparatively expensive. Online booking on a weekday is 22.5 dirham per person and on the gate is 25 dirham. Similarly, on a weekend it is 27 dirham and 30 dirham respectively. It is open from 4 p.m. till the midnight. The moment you step inside, it's a sensory overload in the best way possible. You might feel a bit lost at first, but also very excited because it's like traveling through dozens of mini countries in one evening. With over 30 pavilions representing 75 plus countries, each corner pulls you in with its own charm. This area is the central courtyard, beautifully laid out with pavilions placed side by side like a global neighborhood. The stunning architecture to authentic cultural vibes, you get to see each country very closely. Let's first start with the India Pavilion, probably the biggest of all, displaying Indian jewelry, Indian street food, clothes, and so much more. I felt as if I was actually walking in a popular and crowded Indian market. Next, let's fly to China. Visually stunning with lanterns, dragons, and red everywhere. This pavilion is also paradise for souvenirs which can become your good memory. The Iran pavilion was super cool. Here you will find more of handcrafted goods, Persian carpets, intricate pottery, handmade jewelry, and the level of craftsmanship is just wow. The vibe here is little more peaceful, elegant. It gives you a feel of traditional Persian marketplaces. And of course, my personal favorite, Turkey. If you are a fan of Turkish lambs, evil eye souvenirs and baklava, this place is heaven. The best of this is the live Turkish ice cream stalls where the vendor plays tricks before giving you a cone, and a unique way of getting that Turkish coffee. And it's not just about shopping. Global Village is buzzing with live performances that make the experience even more vibrant. I caught a soulful Arabic singer who had the crowd completely mesmerized, and then stumbled upon this elegant Japanese fan dance. Look at the grace and coordination. And check this one out, a colorful Taiwanese folk performance. These cultural acts truly make Global Village a celebration of the world. Weren't those performances amazing? Honestly, this is what makes Global Village so special. There is something for everyone. For kids and adults, there are amusement rides, 6D theatre and much more. For senior citizens, there are lawns and benches in the central courtyard to sit and relax, as covering the entire village could be quite a walk. I also took a quick glimpse of the floating market, which is placed symmetrically on the water body, and the experience was simply magical. All other pavilions such as Thailand, Africa, Moscow, Jordan had their own charm. Each pavilion truly felt like a passport-free trip across continents, all in one evening. So that's my version of a world tour, all packed in a colorful and unmissable evening only at Dubai's Global Village. I mean, where else can you hop on from Japan to Egypt, sip that Thai iced tea, relish on Turkish baklava, and groove on to that amazing Arabic singer, all in just few hours. If this video made you smile, dream, or crave for a, you know what to do. Like, share, and drop a comment on your favorite pavilion. Until then, keep exploring, keep wandering, and keep those passports ready. If not, your cameras. Ciao.